my channel is not here and if you see me for the first time, girl, where have you been? In today's video we are going to be installing this wig from Yolissa hair. This wig is very popular and I'm really excited to install it, so let's get right into it. So this is how it came. It came with a lot of other goodies: wig cap, eyelashes, this cute brush, headband, and another type of headband. This is their ready to go glueless coily wig in 20 inches black. It feels so soft and I'm really excited to see how it looks on me. As you can see, it came pre-plucked and ready to wear. Truly beginner friendly for a beginner like me. My hair is in chunky cornrows right now, so I'll be pinning it up, then brush my edges back to keep the install area almost hair free because I have a low hairline, which I love, but sometimes it can be a hassle when trying to install wigs. Next, I'm going to be tinting the lace with my foundation, same as the wig cap, so I don't have to define my hair later with a concealer. It came with a thick adjustable straps that helps to hold it in place. This is how it looks right out of the pack, which is not looking bad at all. I'm taking some hair wax, applying it to the hair just to slick it down and away from the lace area before I try to melt it further. You can definitely wear this wig without trying to melt the lace or anything, but I was just trying to be extra and prove to myself that I can actually, install a proper lace frontal wig because I never do it. I just wear it like this. So for this one, I'm just going extra. So I'm using my hot comb to go over the places I applied the wax, just trying to get the wig as flat as possible. And now it's time to melt the lace. Maybe I might be mixing up a couple steps, but it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, I just want the lace to be invisible and my hair flat and coily. And I'm spraying on this strong hold melting spray on my hairline, going over it multiple times till I feel like I have enough. So the girlies on TikTok say that the secret is to wait for the spray to dry down, but not completely. Just wait for it to dry down to the point where it's tacky, just like that, and then place the lace firmly on it and then apply more or hold it down if there's a need to do it. For me, I had to hold it down because my hairline is quite full, like I mentioned before applying the melting band very tight and securely, just like you can see. Now that that's out of the way, it's time to work on the hair. I'm going over the scalp multiple times with the hot iron just because it wasn't as hot as it's supposed to be. Today of all days, I'm filming and I need it to be the hottest. It's just not as hot, so I have to go over it multiple times to make sure the hair is as flat as I would love it to be. I'm combing out the curls with just my white tooth comb, and the volume of this wig is just incredible. I forgot to mention, but it's 250% volume, which is a lot because the normal one is 180. Really love the volume and no shedding whatsoever. Now I'm going to be spraying on what to define and help enhance the curls, and I'm using this as I am curling cream that my hair absolutely loves. It makes it so soft, so I already know that it will make this week so soft and achieve the goals that I wanted to achieve. So this is a very very beautiful unit on its own, the way it came without even needing to customize or do anything to it. It looks incredibly gorgeous, but I wanted to, customize it because I'm looking to make this my everyday wig. As you can see, it is very very effortless to put on. First, I trimmed the ends to be equal for a more rounded voluminous look. Then I cut some layers on. The way I looked so confident cutting those layers, you probably think I've done it before, but I promise you it is my first time here. Thank God I didn't mess up this week because I was praying internally. Then I decided to finger curl it because the first girly I saw try on this week on TikTok, I was completely mind blown, and she did finger curls on her wig as well. So definitely I'm trying out finger curls because it looks so gorgeous. Finger curls is literally finger curls. After applying the curling cream, I just went in and started doing chunky finger curls. After I was done installing the finger curls, which took a while, I had to help it dry faster using my blow dryer. And then when everything was dry and looking cute, I had to take off the melting band and cleaned off the white patches. Then I applied some powder to conceal the parts that are still visible. Then I went to separate the curls, and it was the cutest thing ever. I don't know how to bring up my edges on wig, so I just laid mine like that. You guys, I can't believe I actually achieved this on my own, especially with my low hairline. The wig is so beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments about it, like this is so pretty. I posted it on my story, and the engagement I got on that story was like crazy high. Like it is so pretty from afar. I got so many compliments. When you walk into a room and a lady that is wearing a banging beautiful wig tells you I love your hair, just know the hair is beautiful. And I've gotten that from so many lovely ladies. I really love this hair so much. If you are looking for wigs as a protective style to grow out your hair and give your natural hair a break, just like I'm doing here, I definitely recommend this wig. It is very beautiful, very similar to my natural hair. I style it and treat it the same way I treat my natural hair, and it's just so gorgeous. All the details about this unit will be in my description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.